So hi guys, my name is Siddhant and welcome back to a new video. And in this video I am going to tell you 7 ways you can make money if you have a laptop or smartphone and if you have a good internet connection, right? And if you are someone who is looking for some part-time job or an extra source of income, or if you are a college student who is just looking to earn more pocket money, then this video is definitely for you. We all know that during this pandemic many people got laid off from their jobs, and therefore there was a very high demand for people who can work virtually. For someone, there was a very high demand for work from home, online jobs, online businesses as well. And therefore I have found out these 7 effective ways of generating income, which is not only useful for people who are looking to do some part-time job, but this is also helpful for people who have lost their jobs. And trust me, if you work daily, consistently, just like you work at a job or you work at your business, then these sources have the potential of not only providing you some little extra cash or a part-time income, but a full-fledged income. And these sources can give you a lot more money than a traditional job or a traditional profession can give you. So if you're interested in knowing these 7 sources, then do watch this video till the end. And if you're new to this channel, then do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest notifications of my videos on time. So hi guys, let's directly dive into the video. So I would like to give you few disclaimers before starting this video related to the types of jobs or income sources that I'm going to tell you in this video. And the first disclaimer is that these income sources are very effective if you work consistently, wholeheartedly, and put out quality work, right? The second disclaimer is that whatever names of companies or website portals I'm going to discuss in this video have not sponsored me, and these are some of the portals out there that I found are effective and mostly used by people, and therefore I'm going to recommend them. Some of them are my personal recommendations which I have myself used. Okay, so enough of disclaimers, enough of the intro. So the first idea that I'm going to give you is dropshipping. So what basically is dropshipping? So dropshipping is you creating an online platform, listing some third-party sellers' products on that platform, and then promoting that platform online on social media platforms, on Google. And then whenever a person purchases anything from that platform, the seller whose products are listed on that platform will dispatch the product to the customer, and you get a commission for each and every sale that happens through your website or your online portal, right? So basically, in simple words, it is the easiest way to get a business started for yourself, right? So it is an online store with all the benefits of online store, excluding the risks of an online store, that is handling the inventory, contacting the manufacturer of goods, and all of those things. You don't need an inventory, you don't need a warehouse, you just need to list the products from third-party sellers on your website, and then you just need to promote them via social media marketing, digital marketing, and you need to make sales happen on that website. And the best part of dropshipping is that if you are in India, then you can sell your product not only in India, but you can sell your product anywhere in the world. You can sell your product in China, you can sell your product in US, you can sell your product in UK, you can sell your product in Africa, you can sell your product in any part of the world. If you have a seller, you have a website, you list the products on that website, then the whole responsibility of delivering that product to that customer is that of the sellers. You have nothing to do, you just need to get the sale for the seller. The seller will manage all the operations and processes and will give you a percentage of commission. Now there is a very well-known platform called Shopify. You can see on the website. So you can see on the screen that I'm showing you that the motto of Shopify is anyone, anywhere can start an e-commerce website, right? It is very easy to create your own online store on Shopify and then list products via Alibaba or any other CJ Shopping and all those dropshipping websites. You can list the products on your Shopify store, and then you can start your online digital marketing to just generate sales. They have over 1.7 million businesses in over 175 countries. They have made over $200 billion in sales using Shopify. And Shopify is basically the most well-known platform if you're looking to start a dropshipping business. Now moving on to the second idea for today, that is blogging. Blogging is content writing, publishing your own blogs, on your website, and then doing the SEO, search engine optimizations, so that the people searching on the web find out the link to your website, and then when they click on that link, you get a visitor. And once you start getting daily visitors, then you can also generate revenue from that blog or from that website. Now here, there are two important things that you need to remember in order to become successful blogger, right? The first is that your content should be of great quality and it should be relevant, right? So it should be something that has great quality, that will give useful information to the people, and it should be relevant. That means that it should be something that the people are searching currently on the internet. And the second thing is that you need to be consistent. You need to be putting a blog every day or every 2 days, and consistency is the key if you want to become a successful blogger. So the most popular sources of income or revenue for a blogger are the first is the advertisements, the second is the product promotion or any promotion that you do on your blog or your website. So the company will pay you to promote their product or their services on your blog. And now that there are various tools that would help you to write a great quality blog and even to do great digital marketing, SEO optimization, I feel it is the best time for you to start blogging. If you are into research, if you are into content writing, if you are interested in writing about amazing stuff, researching about amazing topics, then I personally recommend you to start your own blogging website. Now the third idea for today is freelancing. Now what do I mean by freelancing? I know that freelancing is a very generic term, a very broad term, but here I'm going to tell you one platform that you can use to get freelancing jobs and works, right? And it is again a very popular platform, Fiverr. We all know, we all have heard about Fiverr, where you need to post your services, your work, your rate, and then the customers who are looking for those kinds of services and products will contact you, and then you need to just fulfill their work, their jobs. Yes, Fiverr can take a little bit of time sometimes because there are many freelancers working on Fiverr, and therefore if you want to get noticed, you should have a great profile, right? So if you're a seller on Fiverr, then you should display your best works there. And also initially, if you are just looking to get work, then you should also have some subsidized rates at which you are willing to work. You should have a little bit of lower rates than your competition so that you are able to break through the competition. And once you get the job, you need to do it with great quality. So once you start getting jobs, right, and once you are working consistently, then Fiverr will automatically promote your profile to many other customers who are looking to buy some services, right? And therefore, initially, I think the major strategy that you can use is first post your great works, make your profile very attractive, and second is that keep your services at a little subsidized rates, keep it a little lower, marginally lower than your competitors, right? So now, as you can see on the screen, so this is the website of Fiverr, where you can see that there are so many sellers, top rated seller, level 2 seller, level 2 seller. They have like 245 reviews, even 1000 reviews. And if you see that the person who has 1000 reviews has the lowest rate compared to all of those people. So if you have your rates little bit subsidized, little bit lower than what competitors are offering, then you will definitely get more jobs to work on, right? So now you can see here that there are several categories from graphics design, digital marketing, writing, translation, video animation, music and video, programming and tech, data, business, lifestyle. So you can practically work in any field that you have your expertise in and you are interested to work in, right? So just go on Fiverr, create your profile, list your best work and get going. Now the fourth idea for today is digital marketing consultant. Now what do I mean by digital marketing consultant? We all know that this is the era of D2C brands, internet first brands, and now that there's pandemic outside, many shops, retailers have closed down their offline shops, right? And the only way for them to sell their products is online. Here, brand building, digital marketing, social media marketing, SEO optimization becomes very important for many businesses to sell their products, right? Because the only way for them to promote their products is through internet. And if they don't have the expertise in digital marketing and SEO optimization, website creation, website development, then they will definitely look out for people who can help them with all those things. And therefore, if you are interested in digital marketing, SEO optimization, and if you're already aware of those things, then you can directly start working as a consultant for the businesses who are offline and who want to get online. And even if you are not aware of those skills. If you don't have those skills, then you can do just a short course that is a month long or maybe 2 months long, and you can learn all those skills practically for free on Skillshare, on YouTube, on Udemy, on whatever various platforms you want. And then you can start your online consultancy where you can provide all these services which are in high demand in 2021 to the businesses who are looking for help. Now the fifth idea for today is affiliate associates, becoming an affiliate marketeer for various websites, for various companies providing services and products. Now here, affiliate marketing is something that you don't need to work on full-time or part-time, but you just need to be aware and you just need to be part of it so that it keeps on giving you some source of passive income as you are working on some other field, right? So for example, if you become an affiliate marketeer or affiliate associate for Amazon, if you link their products on your blog, on or your YouTube channel, or wherever you want on your platform, and so then for every sale that happens through that link, Amazon gives you some commission ranging from 5% to 20% depending upon the products, right? And therefore affiliate associate, becoming affiliate associates for companies is a great way to generate passive income. Now for all of those who are in India, we have seen that many people become affiliate associates for some educational platforms like Unacademy, for Udemy, for Coursera, and they promote the courses on those platforms, and whenever a person buys those courses from that link, they get a commission from that education platform, right? So similarly, you can also become an affiliate member for some finance companies like fintech companies like Upstocks, Grow, and all those things. So now moving on to the sixth idea, that is for people who have skills, who have that education expertise in any field and are willing to share that for some amount of cost online with all the people present out there, right? So the sixth point is selling an online course. Now this online course is something that you can just make at your home by sitting like this on the table, having your smartphone in front of you, just recording it, and then you can just create those videos in the form of an online course, an in-depth online course, and promote that online course on various social media platforms. Now there is one great tool or one great platform called Vimeo, where you can go and you can upload all those videos and you can create a course out of it, right? And you can share that link to that course on Vimeo, and then you can charge a one-time fee like $199, $299, $399, whatever you want, whatever you feel is relevant for that course, and therefore that generates a source of revenue whenever people buy that course from you. Now this is a great idea to make money if you have that skills, if you have that expertise. You just need to sit down and record a video, because what you're doing is that basically you are doing the work just one time, right? You are just preparing the series of videos, like 8 to 10 videos now, and you are just uploading them on platform permanently. And now you just need to promote them on Facebook, on Instagram, on whichever platform you are present on. So as you can see on the screen, just to show you the platform that I'm talking about, Vimeo, you can see that there are many videos that are uploaded on this platform, and many people make a lot of money by uploading their courses, their work, their short films, their music videos on this platform, right? So even you can make a video, an online course, and you can sell it on Vimeo. Now the seventh and the last idea for today's video is conducting live online sessions, live online workshops. Now what we saw in the sixth idea is that you just create the videos and upload it on the platform. It is not live, right? So whenever people come and buy the course, they see pre-recorded sessions, right, on that platform. But now in the seventh idea, I'm telling you to conduct live online workshops. You can do it via Zoom, via Skype, and all those online meeting platforms, right? So you can teach anything like arts like baking, singing, cooking, music, or you can even teach business or any subjects related to studies. You can teach fitness, yoga, you can teach negotiation skills, public speaking skills, English speaking course, anything you're great at, because during these times of pandemic, when people are stuck at home, they cannot go out and attend the in-person face-to-face workshops, right? So conducting live online workshops is a great way to get started, build your network, and also earn a great amount of money from it. So as you can see on the screen, these are some of the courses that are being promoted on my Facebook, right? Definitely you might also be seeing these kinds of courses on your Facebook feed or Instagram feed, right? So you can see a blogging and earning online crash course, street food special, handwriting analysis, top business opportunities, free live chocolate workshop, developing solutions for Microsoft, freelancing and earning. So these are the 7 ideas that I wanted to share with you, and I feel that these are very effective. If you put in consistent amount of work, daily work, great quality of work, then you can definitely become successful and earn a lot of money from these sources as well. In fact, higher than what you can earn traditionally from a job or from being a professional, right? So guys, that's it for today. I hope that you like those 7 ideas and you find one of them that is fit for yourself and start working on that and start making some money. So if you like the video, then do hit the like button, do share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest notifications of my videos on time. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, thank you.